Welcome back to the Profit Punch channel. Today I'm going to be discussing with you two Chinese stocks that I think are going to be exploding within the next 1 to 3 years. They're showing very huge setups that I think are money makers. I do have a weekly chart on my left, and on my right, I do have the daily chart. The weekly chart is a bigger time frame because we always want to keep a look on a longer time frame of things, bigger picture. Then the daily chart is mostly used to know where to enter and where to get out of stocks. So let's first focus on the bigger time frame so that I can show you what has happened in the past. If you're enjoying this video and want to build financial freedom using the stock market, I put together a free guide called 10 chart patterns that make money. It's based on the exact system that we use at Profit Punch, a financial newsletter and educational hub that sends you A+ stock setups where we tell you exactly when to buy and sell, and also will teach you stock trading from the ground up. These are the same patterns that our members use to catch moves like SMCI 250%, NVDA 200%, Uplavin 350%. The guide is short, visual, and beginner friendly. Just click the link in the description or pinned comment to grab your free copy. Now back to the video. Baidu is our first stock, of course, as you can see. The last time Baidu had this really big move, you can see that it had this very huge crash over here, right? And then came up and then formed a nice cup and a handle. But once it jumped out of that cup with a handle, it went up 200%. This was in 2020, and that was a very nice profit. But from 2020, the stock has been crashing and it has never recovered. And it is starting to wake up again. Why is this happening? I think it's because of AI. A lot of USA companies have profited from this AI boom, but these Chinese companies, even if they are traded on the USA stock market, they've started to move, but they've not experienced those big gains, despite the fact that they have AI models that are as good. Fundamentals matter a lot, but also you want to look at the price action. What the price action is telling me is that the big banks and the big players are starting to get heavily involved in Baidu. So you can see that it has had this big crash all the way from 2020. We like to see a trend line. A trend line is valid if it touches at least 3 points. It has broken this long-term trend line. This is a very good sign, but that's not the best sign. Whenever stocks break out of this sideways trend lines, those are nice, but not the most trustworthy. What you want to see is it breaking out of a flat resistance. This is the flat resistance the stock has broken out of. Before, it did break the falling trend line, but failed to break out of the flat resistance. This is very important. So you always want it to at least try to break out of a flat resistance. So this is when you can know that it's destined for bigger things. So currently, what has happened is that it has bottomed. We can see this very huge bottoming here. So it's like a triple bottom. It keeps bouncing off this support level. And then it has bounced out on huge volumes. I color code my buys. Whenever my buy is green in color, as you can see here, that means that the volume is higher than average volume. This is on the weekly chart. So this tells you that people are really interested. Now, a lot of people might think you're late, but normally it will come and pull back, which is what it's doing now on lower volume, as you can see down here. And then once it recovers again, this is the time to buy. If you already bought at the beginning, you can add to your position here. How do you know how long it's going to run? You never really know, but it's normally half the length of the flat base. So if the flat base takes 2 years, it might run for about a year. That's why I think this thing has very huge legs, because it has just broken out, and I think it should run for at least 1 year. So that's till the end of 2027. Once we go to the daily chart as well, we can see here this huge move. It had this huge 60% move, and then it is having a pullback. Some call it a double bottom, others a zigzag, but it doesn't matter. What it's telling us is that it has formed a lower low here, and then it has recovered very quickly. So it looks like the banks try to shake out the people. It does form a very tight price action here, and then it gaps up. It gapped up on the USA market, but that's only because the USA market is trading after the Chinese market. So this might not be a real gap. Anyway, so if I was getting into this stock, I would buy it immediately, which I'm going to do tomorrow morning. And then I would have a very small stop of 2.5%. So with such a very small stop, I'm trying to make sure it doesn't come and violate this law of the day. With such a very small stop, that at least helps you keep a very low risk for a huge potential reward. If you're risking 2% to make almost 200%, even if you are to fail 4-5 times, still going to be a very good trade. The next one is Alibaba. We have our daily chart, we have our weekly chart, we have a daily chart, but of course we're interested in the weekly chart. Alibaba has had a bigger base, this flat resistance line, which is something I like to look for. It has been there since 2022, and the stock has broken out in 2025 or 2026, if you can think about it, because it has really broken out at the end of 2025. That means it has sat down for at least 4 years, which means it's likely to run for at least 2 years. So from August 2025 to August 2027. So that could be a very big move. The last time Alibaba did such a big move was in 2017. It went up about 138%. Let's study how Alibaba is forming on the weekly chart. It has broken through the sideways trend line, which is a good thing. And then this flat resistance here is something I'm always looking at, because you can see that it broke out of this sideways trend line in 2023, but that's never a good sign. You want it to break out of this, test something, and then go up, right? So it tested, it failed all of these times, and then finally it has broken out, and it's doing this on huge volume. If you look down here on the volume, whenever you see these blue things, that means there's very huge volume there. Whenever it's going up, the volume is very huge. Even down here, you can see that the up to down volume is 2 to 3. So whenever there's an up wick, the ratio of the volume on the up wicks is twice as much as the volume on the lower wicks. So that's a very good sign. That means there are more people buying and selling. So it breaks out, comes and tests here, and then breaks out again. So the first time to buy was in August 2025. That was a very good time to buy Alibaba stock. Then we always expect it to come and test the 10-week simple moving average, or to make this small consolidation. This is something it will do the whole time. You can see here, the last time, goes down, comes and tests. This is the test we're looking for. It also does this here. So this tight price action is equivalent of the test that we're trying to see here. Anyway, so it's now testing. And as soon as it recovers over the 50-day simple moving average, which is a 10-week moving average, it's a good time to buy. The daily chart tells us exactly what to be doing. So the first time to buy, of course, was here on this gap up day. This is why you should have loaded up your positions, because everybody was on the same side of the trade. The thing went up 50%. Very easy. Now it has corrected about 25%, which is a healthy correction. And as soon as it breaks up above this, it's a good time to buy. You can keep a tight stop, as I've showed you, of about 3%. And from there, you can make a huge profit. How can you make more money from these trades? Once a breakout starts, you can get the ×2 ETF. The ×2 ETF of Alibaba is BABX. Recently, you remember Alibaba went up 100%. The 2x ETF should go up 100% as well, right? But you're going to see a surprise. The 2x ETF went up 120%. This is because of the momentum, right? So when Alibaba is going up a lot, the 2x ETF won't go up twice the amount of Alibaba. It will go up faster, but you have to watch out for crashes. It also goes down faster. This is a way to make more money from it. And also Baidu has a 2x ETF, which is new, so it doesn't have a lot of data. So you can look at the primary chart of Baidu, and then you can then know what to do in the ×2 ETF. If you found value in this video, sign up for the Profit Punch newsletter, where I'll be telling you how to exactly enter the stocks and how to profit from them.